Hey guys, and welcome to Dr. Niki's tutorials channel. In today's tutorial, we're gonna make something very simple. We're gonna learn how to change YouTube to dark mode in the PC. So, as you see, I'm opening youtube.com. Just click here on your account or this image, and then click on appearance. Then click on the use device theme. Nope, gonna it with the dark theme. So yeah, as you can see now, it's in the dark mode. Hope guys that you like the video. If you liked it, click on the like button. If you're new here, click on subscribe. And if you have any questions, literally any questions, even if not related to the video or related to the video, what you like, just type down for us in the comments. And yeah, hope you a nice day.